warm up. So you can actually see, I know it's hard to tell, but we are looking at when the air temperatures get into the upper 40s and you factor in the winds, it's not going to feel quite as cold. Sometimes we get those big differences, especially as our temperatures drop. So we'll notice it more this morning, less this afternoon. And as we get into tonight, you may still notice it just a bit, though. Winds will be weaker as we move into the overnight hours. Mostly clear skies out there now, mostly clear skies throughout the day today. As we get towards the evening, this is the only time we'll start to see some higher clouds move in, but we'll still keep it more on the mostly clear side of things as we move into tonight. So breaking down today, temperatures will be in the mid to upper 40s. I know there's a couple of cooler temperatures on here. I should bump these up just a bit. We're going to have plenty of sunshine again. It'll feel more like the low 40s, low to mid 40s because of the winds, but still, again, wind chills won't be that bad this afternoon. We're up to 50 tomorrow, 50 on Tuesday as well. And then if you think this is warm, we'll take a look at Wednesday, up to 61 degrees. We are, though, going to see some light rain showers across the area on Wednesday, and then some colder air as a cold front eventually moves through. So highs in the 40s on Thursday, but we'll have falling temperatures throughout the day, and then highs only near 30 degrees by next weekend. Could get a little dusting of snow as of right now, though. Not looking at any big storm systems to bring us a lot of snow across the area, but warm temperatures for sure, Adriana.
Yeah, 50, 61 degrees, girl, we will take it here. All right, thanks, Marissa.